Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share some footage from the front-facing camera of my iPhone XS Max. A few days ago, I released a video testing from the back camera of the iPhone XS Max, and the result is amazing because I don't have to carry along my DSLR even in low light condition. The iPhone XS Max does a good job already. Honestly, I don't know what DSLR you're using, but mine is 6D Mark II with the 24-150 lens millimeters, which is very heavy. Okay, so without further delay, let's check it out. How amazing is the front-facing camera? Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoy the video that I'm making using the front-facing camera of the iPhone XS Max, and those clips were edited on the Final Cut Pro. And if you want to learn those kind of tips, I can share with you guys as well. But one thing that I noticed when edit the videos from the front-facing camera, the problems happen when I adjust my project to 23.9 frame per second. Is not really smooth as it is set to 30 frame or 60 frame per second. So be careful when you film your videos using the front-facing camera of the iPhone XS Max. Make sure that you choose the right project setting, otherwise it's not going to work as expected. Okay, so that's all guys. Thank you so much for spending so much time watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. One thing is, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do it now, and don't forget to turn on notifications so that you will be notified every time that I upload new videos. Okay, so see you guys in the next one.